Hi, this is Andrew from Andrew's Workshop, a DIY woodworking channel. I hope you find this video useful. Hi, today we're going to learn how to use a branding iron. So there are multiple different types of branding irons. One of them is electric, but today we're going to be using just a torch along with this fine piece of brass. So what you're going to do is get your torch going. You could also use your stove for this, if it's a gas stove, of course. Fireplace works too. But you basically want to just have the brass directly in the flame, moving it around for, it takes something like 2 to 3 minutes. And before you actually brand your project, have a similar piece of scrap wood nearby so you can test the brand on it to see if the thing is hot enough yet. Alright, so before you press it down, you want to make sure you know exactly where you want the brand. So press down, rock up and down, and then left and right. There you go. There is my brand. If you hold it for less of a duration, then you won't get quite as much of the light brownness around the sides, shadow, but I like that look. So you want to do it for something like 3 to 5 seconds, rocking up and down, and then left and right. It's very important just to make sure that every part of the brand comes into good contact with your project. And here is how the brand looks on darker wood, like walnut. Another tip is to always have a fire extinguisher nearby and make sure your work area is not cluttered with papers and trash and all that sort of stuff. Alright, thanks for watching.